Update. Just a quick update. I'm sorry if you're hearing background voices or background noises or noise actually. Um, Trading is one of the craziest thing in the world. It's going to mess up with you sometimes psychologically, especially if you're a swing trader. Like you hold trades for a long time and you wait for your setup to come up in days, weeks sometimes, or even months. Just look at this jump 25 that I've been trying to get into, that I got into actually. I entered this trade on a 15 minutes time frame, and when I entered, I used my B plus setup to enter this trade. Just trend line touch and candlestick confirmation based on the higher time frame, which is the market is actually bullish right now for this jump 25. If you go on a higher time frame, which I will go to right now, as you can see on this monthly time frame, you can see that this market is bullish. And looking at this at the same time as well, we can see that the immediate candlestick formation of the last two previous months is a bullish engulfing candle. Looking at the weekly as well, we can see that even the market even came to a zone to come and reject, to come and retest and continue its move to the upside. So everything was good, and I used the counter trend, the trend line touch as an entry. But look at what is happening at the moment. Immediately I got in, and one thing I use as a way of getting out of a trend line touch trade is that if to close my trade, if the trade hasn't hit my TP yet, once the candle close the uh, below the trend line or above the trend line that I'm trading. For example, in this aspect, you can see that this is in an uptrend. So if the candle close below the trend line, I will definitely close my trade. And look at what has happened. When I got into this trade, I already made over $7 already in this morning. But look at what happened. The market went back to give me loss, and that candle closed below my entry, and it closed below the trend line, which shows that is a criteria for me to close the trade, even though I was at profit, even though I was in a big profit actually initially, but the market closed, went below a little bit though, and I closed the trade. And look at it, immediately I closed the trade, the market moved even up to like I think $20. I die not closed, and look at the market now is reversing back to the downside. So that's one of the things that is crazy about this market. Though I don't know what is going to happen yet, but I'm still monitoring it just in case I find another trendline touch confirmation entry. I probably might enter, but I don't know yet. So that's one thing about markets. Imagine yourself waiting for a setup for days, and at the end of the day, you find out that when you enter the trade, it didn't play out the way you anticipated. So that's one of the things that is a problem being a swing trader actually. So that's just what I want to share with you guys.